Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're here, Rhodes town. You can see the sun's just setting. Beautiful, beautiful evening. We're going to head down Bar Street. Show you the view. So I'm guessing over there, you can see in the very far distance, if you can see it, that must be Turkey. But correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I think from Rhodes town, this side here faces Turkey, which we're going to head over to on Monday. But yeah, beautiful evening, everyone coming down for the sunset. Let's take a walk down Bar Street then. Remember, guys, to like, share, subscribe to the channel. As I say in many videos, 90% of you guys are not subscribed to our channel, so it'd be wonderful if you could subscribe. Helps us like the videos. Liking the videos helps push the videos, so yeah, it'd be really good if you could do that. Let's cross this road. See if this lovely car is going to stop for me. There we go. She did it. Dumbass. We're on video. There we go. That's how you stop. But yeah, off we go. You know, to find you over there. Espresso shop there. It's quite dead at the moment. Maybe if it comes to life a bit later. At the old Red Lion here. Opens 9 PM. So we're going to be here till late anyway. So I'll do a second video a bit later. Thank you. More strip bars. Old Wacker bar. More strip bars. Yeah, it looks like this place is going to come to life around 9-10 o'clock tonight. But we're going to have to find some food after this, get ourselves some dinner. Four shots for a £5. Look at that. There's pizza right there. Fresh crepes there, nice.
Wat? Jag tar inte upp någon annans boll. Någon random.
You'd rent your bikes, rent your scooters. Old Chelsea PSG, is that tonight, is it? So a very massive strip shop. Strip show. Massive one. That is it. Not much to report at this time of night. think, what time is it? Let's have a look. So we're at 10 to 8. Saturday night. You see, not very busy at the moment, but I'm guessing we're going to get really, really busy later on. Nice big hotel here. We're getting sorted for the night. Yeah. You're on the vlog, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hello vlog. I'm Eli. Me Nadav. Where are you from?
I'm from England. Where are you from?
I'm from Israel. I'm from Israel.
Israel. Oh,
Yes,
lovely, lovely.
yes.
Yeah. So what are you doing here? You on holiday?
No, vacation. with
Vacation, yeah?
friends, yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Vacation. Wait, you have a channel?
Yeah.
You can't say my name?
Yeah, I think Wagwan Tours.
Wait. Hey, it stopped.
No, it's the same.
No.
The red is on.
Oh.
Yeah, it stays
Hi
on.
guys. Girls, call me. Nadav. You are loco, man. Loco. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be in a vlog. I can't believe it. How much subscribes this?
Wagwan Tours. This is us here, this one.
Oh. Get in.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yo, 4,000.
Yeah.
Why?
1 year ago, only 100.
Oh my
So it was really quick,
Can
rapid.
we do a photo?
Photo, yeah, go on,
Yes,
go on.
Photo to the vlog.
No, I'm the wrong way around.
Okay, let me. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes! Thank you very
Good
much,
man.
man.
Thank you.
Hey.
Lovely to meet you, yeah?
Lovely
Lovely to meet you, yeah?
Yeah, bye.
See you, boys. Yeah. So yeah, everyone getting ready for the night now. Setting up the band. Yeah, let's go and meet Sabrina. She should be just down the road here. We'll go and find her. We'll get some food. And then we'll see where I'll go on for the evening around Rhodes town. Lovely to meet some new subscribers there. Yeah, let's take it off my face for you. Back to the beach. There's Sabrina over there. So let's cross over. Like I said, I think everyone's going to go out around that area around about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tonight. So we're going to go find some food. And yeah. Join us on the next one, guys, yeah? Have a good one.